when you do day trading, you want to wait for the signal bar to come and then start to trade. That is because the signal bar is the start of the trend. And among all the signal bars, the best signal bar is the trend bar. What is a trend bar? Basically, the trend bar has a body larger than 60% of the whole candlestick. It means the direction of the market, and it also means the start of the trend. Here is an example. We have a uptrend, pushback, and then we can see this is a very good trend bar because the body accounts over 60% of the candlestick. And then you can see the following, we have another very strong bull bar and a bull bar, then it pulls back. So this trend bar means the start of the leg up, so this is the good opportunity for you to trade to the uptrend. After the pullback here, you can also see that this bull bar is also a very good signal bar. The body is roughly 60% of the candlestick, and then goes up and then pulls back, and also this bar, roughly 60% of the whole candlestick. So you can see that the trend starts with a trend bar. For comparison, let's take a look at a non-trend bar. So basically, this bull bar has a body roughly 20% of the whole candlestick, and the whole candlestick is smaller than this trend bar. You can see that also it leads to a good trend, but after you enter the market, the next bar is a bear bar, so it didn't go up right away. So the difference is that the trend bar has a higher probability that the trend will start right away. Another thing you will notice is that if you enter by this bar, you have to wait another bar before the trend goes up. However, if you enter at this trend bar, though it goes up directly, but your entry is higher. Here's another example. The market goes up, pulls back. If you choose to enter at this non-trend bar, the body is very small, like 10% of the whole candlestick. You can see that when you enter the market by the next bear bar, but it goes down. It didn't go up right away. However, if you choose to enter at this trend bar, you can see the market goes up right away with consecutive bull bars. So this entry is lower than this entry, so that means you have more profit. In general, the trend bar gives you the highest probability that the market will start trending.